This video is also on the fly. Um, this video gonna be basic keyboarding. Like I said in the last video, I realized there's a lot of people who don't know a lot of stuff about other things that people take for granted. So, if you want to learn the keyboard, and I'm talking about typing, if you want to learn the keyboard, what you do is you go to the store, like a secondhand store. You get like a typing book, but I like to get a keyboard. You just got a keyboard on hand? Yes, I do. Get you a keyboard like this, and what you do is every day you practice. You know, today you're going to push F1, 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 because I needed that today, because I was saying F2, F3, y'all. You want to push a different button every day. Escape gets you out of stuff. Number lock, you want to know how to put that on and off. Cap lock, like it makes capital letters, you want to make sure you have that off, because normally when you have them on, they glow. If you don't have the number lock on, it won't glow. Let me see. What you want to do if you're really poor like me, cut that fan off, you're killing us. If you're really poor like me, what you want to do is, oh, and the internet button glows. What you want to do is go to the library, the public library, get you a big sheet of typing paper, like this, and get you a pen or a marker, like this. And what you want to do is every day, you're going to draw the keyboard, like this. Why you got all that crap on your counter? Never mind. So once you do that, every day you want to practice. If you don't know how to, if you don't have a typing book, you can basically teach yourself. So the left pinky is going to be on A, and then you got S, D, and F. The other hand, you're going the semicolon, the L, the K, and the J. And this is how you learn how to type. So like today we go Y. Like I'll be thinking why. And you'll just keep practicing all day, every day with every finger until you get it pretty good. I always like to do my numbers over here because it works for me. Like I said, the internet, when it's off, it's that color. And number lock is that color. My cap lock. Backspace, Control, Alt, and Delete, which starts a lot of computers. Mine got one of these pad thingies, so I can use this, but I prefer a $5 mouse. Let me see. You can get them from like I ain't gonna even say the name of the store. One of them stores sell electronics. You want a flash drive? That's about it. Get internet videos on how to do it. Would you stop that? On how to do what you looking to do. 3. I'm making video 3.